Welcome again, once again to Cooking Around's channel. And as I always say in the beginning, do I have something awesome for you? And what is it this time? Guess what? It is a flu fighter. And what do I call it? Flu fighter garlic soup recipe. Just absolutely awesome. And there's a little bit of garlic in there, and that will bring up your immunity system and help you fight off those viruses and other nasty illnesses that you can get. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get going with this awesome recipe. Okay, here we go. Let me put this together. First, we're going to start with the awesome turmeric powder. And of course, the garlic. And some other goodies here. We've got parsley, hot pepper flakes. Again, I already showed you this. And we got quinoa, a Peruvian bean. Very high in nutrition and it's very good for you. Just look at my blog and I will give you more information on it. Start with a medium carrot or a large one if you want, and let's just start to peel it and clean it up. And then I want you to chop it up, smaller pieces or larger pieces, that depends on you. Now grab an onion and we're going to chop that. And I'm using a red onion because I find that the red onion gives it more of a sweet flavor. But if you want to use a white onion, please go ahead. Now grab a bunch of parsley and I want you to chop it up as fine as you can. You know, I like it to be really fine, especially for this soup, because I want it to blend in just perfectly. Get a medium-sized pot and I want you to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And now let's add the onions when the pot is hot. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And this is going to bring out the awesome taste. And as an option, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of crushed red chili flakes. And now here comes the secret, the garlic. I'm adding here 6 to 8 cloves of garlic. Yes, it's going to be very strong. And I'm using this fancy garlic masher. After adding the garlic, I want you to turn the heat down to low because we do not want to overcook the garlic. This is important. If you overcook the garlic, it's going to lose its potential to fight the flu. And now we are going to add our carrots. And I want you to keep on stirring and watch the temperature at this time that nothing burns. Let's now add the parsley and I want you to keep on stirring and get it well mixed. So at this point, in order to control the heat with the garlic and the parsley, I'm adding about 3 cups of water. And to give it that extra taste and richness, 2 cubes of low sodium veggie stock. Please keep it low sodium and add as much pepper as you want to make you happy. And here we go. Now we're going to add half a cup of quinoa. Quinoa, very hard word to pronounce, but trust me, it is very good. And this is going to give the oomph to your soup. And it will be very nutritious. Now let's add 3 to 4 more cups of water. Now here, the more water you add, the more watery it's going to be. But I want you to remember that the quinoa will absorb a lot of the water, so I wouldn't worry about the level at this point. Now let's increase the heat, and once it's boiling, I want you to cover it. But halfway through, I want you to check it and make sure that there's enough liquid. And you're going to let this go for a total of 20 to 25 minutes or until the quinoa is soft and tender. Okay, it's been here about 25 minutes, and I did check it a couple of minutes ago to see how the quinoa is doing. Now, this is absolutely awesome, absolutely nutritious, and this quinoa comes from Peru, just to let you know. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. So, what can I say now? It's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around, and please enjoy and keep those flus away from you.